Hey guys, and welcome back to One Pretty Little Box and another grocery haul. Today's grocery haul came again from Walmart pickup. You guys know that I love just driving up, letting them throw that in there. And the total was $204.83. It sounds high, but there's a lot of household stuff in here, so I'm okay with that. So let's jump into it. 2 liters of Mountain Dew Code Red. Gallon of sweet tea, some bone-in frozen chicken thighs, a head of iceberg lettuce. I usually get green leaf, but I wanted iceberg this time. A box of beef and cheese taquitos, a gallon of milk, some serrano peppers, 2 things of green onions, cucumbers, celery, sorry, I'm not even showing you, 2 bell peppers, some lemons, cuties, bananas, a 2.25 pound pack of lean ground beef, and a 1 pound pack of lean ground beef, and 3 big ribeyes, boneless. Those are going to be for our only one beautiful sunny day this weekend. Almost out of soap. This is the soap my husband prefers. A 6-pack of Sprite, some shredded cheddar cheese, some more pancake syrup, bite-sized Tostitos, a pound of frozen crawfish tails, and some corn on the cob, a pack of American cheese, some egg roll wrappers. I meant to take these out because I changed my mind, but they do not expire until March, so I will be playing with those, and actually I can still play with those. I don't know, we'll see. Some spicy guacamole, some little smoky sausage links. I've been in the mood for some pimento cheese, and I have not had any in a long time, like years. Some butter, grands, I already said cream cheese, Pop-Tarts, some loaded mashed potatoes, 2 cans of bold Manwich Sloppy Joe sauce. I like the Pioneer Woman's recipe, but I am using that as a quick fix one night. Some onions, dishwashing detergent, breadcrumbs because I believe I'm almost out. A double pack of that pasta salad from Suddenly Salad. I like it. It's quick and it's just a good side dish that for a busy night. Cinnamon rolls, some pesto, some penne rigate pasta, some angel hair pasta, tomatoes, some tomatoes with green chilies, marinara sauce, paper towels, Downy, some pimentos. This is for a recipe. I'm actually going to show y'all this upcoming week, I think, for Tasty Tuesday. Some large buns, another 18 count pack of eggs, and dog food. And let me show you our menu last week. I kind of stuck to it for the most part. These two we flipped because this was going to be on, we moved it to Wednesday, but we were not a fan of this recipe, so I don't recommend it personally, so there you go. Saturday, instead of making macaroni and cheese, I just baked a ham. We made sandwiches, had a veggie tray with dip and chips. It was great. Sunday, we had kind of the same thing. Monday, you guys saw that recipe on Tasty Tuesday. It was the ham and mac and cheese casserole. I will link that down below. Tuesday, I made chicken fajita rice and the pinto beans, which I showed you during the week. I will also link that down below. And Wednesday, I told you, was that. So we ended up eating leftovers. And today, I moved this particular recipe because trying 2 brand new back-to-back recipes and not liking the first one, I wasn't taking a chance with this one. So let's move over to the new week. which is today is Thursday. We are using DoorDash and we're going to order Wendy's. Quick and easy done. We have a new air fryer. So Friday we're going to do the taquitos that you saw. I'm going to make cheese dip chips, so I have guacamole. Just kind of a very quick, fast foodie at home kind of meal. Saturday will be sloppy joes and potato wedges. And again, I'm going to do those potato wedges in the air fryer. Sunday is grilled steaks and crawfish pasta with garlic ciabatta bread and corn on the cob. I might switch the garlic bread to Red Lobster biscuits because that's really good with that meal. Monday is pesto ranch chicken thighs. That will be done in the oven. Yep. Loaded mashed potatoes and steamed broccoli. Tuesday is spaghetti, salad, and garlic bread. Wednesday, I had that chicken pot pie skillet. That is a new recipe. And I'll come up with a bread and a veggie side on the side for that. This week, for snacks, baked goods, and treats, I want to make some brownies, some chocolate-covered peanut butter crackers, and I think we're going to have popcorn because I want to have a movie night. And that is that. That is that. Not too shabby. Thanks for watching. If you like grocery hauls, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below. What are you making for dinner tonight? Bye.